Good morning. It's time to hike the Tallaght. We just got lost and we went to the wrong parking lot, so we're late and we're trying to catch others. It's super difficult to film when it's that dark. You literally can see nothing, but I will try to film as much as possible, and probably the main vlog will continue at the top of Mount Tallaght. Are we halfway there?
Ready for another part?
We there yet? Okay, we just reached the difficult part, so there's no path anymore, and it's quite steep. So now we have to reach the top following this rock road all the way up. So yeah, I hope everyone will reach the top without any injuries, and we will all be able to see the sunrise at the top of Mount Tallaght. We reached the snow! Wow! This is amazing. That's Tahoe here. Lake Tahoe. Fallen leaf, if I'm correct. Wow! The top is right there. Oh my god. Wow, that's from the moonlight. So guys, we just reached the top. It's almost a sunrise, so I'm going to drop my camera on the rock and make some time lapses, because I don't have any additional gear that I need to have, but still I think it will turn out as a great, amazing time lapse of a sunrise on the top of Tallaght. So yeah, as well I'm going to fly my drone because apparently it's not that windy and I still have time. So I hope for the great footage here, and see you after the sunrise. Okay guys, so we reached the top. It was around 3 hours hike. Not the easiest one, but it was easier because we hiked during the night and it wasn't that hot and not much of stuff to see around, so we weren't stopping that much as well, and it took us less time than it would if we were hiking on the day, because during the day it's really hot here. So I wanted to do Tallaght hike for the whole summer, but usually I have one day off, and during your one day off you want to rest, and hike to the Tallaght, it's not the best rest to be honest, but today we hiked all night. We reached the top at the sunrise, and honestly it was amazing. all these colors. It was just great. It was one of the most beautiful sunrises I have ever seen in my life, and I definitely recommend everyone coming here. Hike during the night because it's easier, and sunrise, it's just amazing. It's getting warmer and probably soon it will be really hot, so we will head back down. Hopefully we will stop at some lakes and jump into them to refresh ourselves. So let's continue hiking down. We're going down and nothing looks familiar now because we were hiking up when it was super dark with flashlights. So now I finally reached a place where we were hiking all the way up on these rocks. That's how it looks. Yeah, it is dangerous. And when you're hiking at night, you can't see how dangerous stuff is. So that's one more thing why you should hike at night to Talek. And it's not that hot when it's nighttime. So yeah, it will be difficult to hike down these rocks because they're not very sturdy, and we need to rush. And we need to rush because some of us still needs to go to work. I'm going to work at 5, and it's 8 a.m. So I have lots of time. But some of us, they start at 11 or 12. Okay, so they left. They got the ride because they're working, and we're here walking back home.
Don't know what to do. How to get back home?
I don't know.
Mr.
No connection, so no Uber,
No Uber?
nothing.
No internet?
No water? This is the last one?
Let's walk. Fun day. Bye. That was a crazy hike and a crazy day. After we got down Mount Talek, there was a tiny bit of problem for us. There was no one to pick us up. Yeah, so without no car, without anything, phone's dead, like it was horrible. No connection, nobody to call to. So we tried hitchhiking for the first time. At least it was my first time. And after like 15 or 20 minutes of trying to stop a car, one actually stopped, and the people inside of the car were nice enough to let 4 of us squeeze in into the back. After that we just went to the shop or Lime scooters. I took a Lime scooter as well, and I got back home. This is probably the last trip and hike in South Lake Tahoe for this year for us, because we're leaving in 4 days. And I'm really glad that we tried Mountain Talek, because it's just amazing. It's one of the highest peaks in Tahoe, and sunrise, it was just amazing. Just speechless. I hope this crazy adventure, this all unexpected stuff that happened, were interesting for you guys to watch. And if it was, consider liking and subscribing this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Good morning. It's time to hike the Talek.
Everybody's here? No?
You are here.
I'm here, yeah.
Yeah. Hi, I'm
Stop yelling at me.
so dark, and I'm not filming any cinematic.
Well, because you can't, because it's dark.